What is up, good people of Earth? I don't know why I said that, but we're going with it today. Hey everybody! Are we ready? Are we steady? I think... Are we stable today? But point is, we're gonna do this thing and we're gonna have fun. Okay, everything's good to go. I know I'm organized today, it's a little weird. I don't know how to feel about it. I keep feeling like I've missed something, but apparently not, and that's okay. Let's mark out everything, you know, while I cry over what happened yesterday. Yeah, that's all I can say. Just sad. Okay. Focusing. Hey George, what's up? That's what I'm doing. I'm a okay, so it finally took out all them equal high, the previous day high. Cool. Let's mark out everything. Guys, to say I screamed into a pillow last night is an understatement. Do you see this beautiful trade? This beautiful chef's kiss trade? I didn't take it. I didn't take it. Anyways, and I see actually the next trade after that would have been a banger as well. Okay, it's okay. It's a new day. It's a fresh day. Let's get this Mama Jamma started. Don't ask where Mama Jamma came from. We're gonna go with it. What do I need? I need a DS. I need a DS. Yep. Okay. It really did edge the London low. That's so rude. New York. Low. Okay, there's New York low. New York high has already been taken by Asia high, which is over here. Awesome sauce. And then Asia low goes right over there. Asia low. Don't ask why I'm singing everything today. It's just what we're doing. That's just where we are at today. Okay. So that's done. Cool. Two more things. I need to check out the new opening. Whee! Okay. We do not have a new daily opening. Yeah, there's a little bit of a volume imbalance here, but nothing wow, right? Nothing wow. Let's just change the style to that. I'm not even gonna mark it as anything. Oh, okay, I see. It's not. Oh, okay, it respected that little bit of a volume imbalance there, and apart from that, meh. No. Okay, so that's done being respected. Now we need midnight. Ooh, sorry. As I said, we need midnight. I went and I managed to get it exactly at midnight. That has never happened. That has never happened to me before. And now I lost it. There it is. That's a good sign. That's a great sign. Okie dokie. Here's midnight open. Dunzos. Now we can go through everything. Hey David, what's up? I'm with you. Greetings from Guatemala for the next couple of weeks. That's cool. You working there right now? Loader, but I'm just curious, why do you guys mark the lows of each session? It tends to be a really decent liquidity, liquidity zone. In general, the markets really want to go and take out that liquidity zone. It's Friday. It's Friday, people. I actually forgot. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Are we ready, steady to do this thing? Oh, well, I think, is it beautiful there? I've never been. Is it nice there? Are you excited to be there? Now that I've marked out all those, let's quickly cover everything to a top to bottom analysis. So daily chart looks. So much for my bias. Right, I got married to my bias yesterday. Okay. It did just take out the equal highs though, so is today the day we're gonna go down? I mean, it's starting a little bit more on the bearish side, so... I keep wanting to see it retest, doesn't mean it's gonna. Hey Atlanta, what's up? What's my shirt say? Pepsi. Sorry. It's just a cute shirt. It has nothing to do with what I prefer or anything. CPI dollar in the morning, yay! Hey Solo, what's up? Sorry guys, when I talk I forget that oxygen is important, which is why I hiccup quite often, because it's my body's way of reminding me that you need to breathe. You would think I would know that at the ripe old age of 27, but here we are. Anywho. I'm gonna stop saying this surely has to retest and mitigate these imbalances because, okay. It could today. Debbie did mention that today could be the day where it does actually go down and it drops forward. So let's see. So that's the daily. Let's check the 4-hour quick sticks. I don't know if cute is the word, but I like it. Wow. Hey, Debbie. Did you hear I just mentioned you? Shout out to Debbie, the one and only. How you doing? A little bit of a bond balance there. Back down we can go. It did just take a, okay. Took out majority, let's put it that way. So there's still some more equal highs up above. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alrighty, Roo. 4-hour, 1 hour. Is today the day it comes back to correct all the imbalances? Let's see. Oh, ooh, I feel so rude. I didn't even do this. Are we ready?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good morning, everybody. Let's get this party started. Right? Right. Awesome sauce. 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay. 5 minute, maybe this is gonna start going down today. That'll be cool. Hey, Hezzy, am I profitable? Not yet, no. I have officially, no, well, on next Tuesday, I would have officially been trading for a year. I'm on a funded account. Does that count? I don't know if that counts. But I would not consider myself profitable. Yet. Yet being the keyword. 1 day at a time. Okay, we are dropping slowly, but, you know, let's not expect anything cuckoo crazy. It is still starting out. London has been slow to start out and then moving a little bit better later on. Oh my gosh, did I do it in time? I did the top to bottom analysis in time today. Normally I'm like a tad bit late, but in time today for 3, 2, 1, London open. Pew, 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 pew. Oh damn, wait. I have to do this.
Okay, let's go.
Abdira, what's up? Hammer, stop. Hammer time. How you doing, Hammer? How's it going? Alban, hi. Hi, man. Great to be here. Hopefully we'll learn from you. I mean, you'll definitely learn things. If it's learning what not to do, you're still learning things, right? Though, to be fair, I have woken up in a bit of a, you know what, if today is the day that this funded account gets blown, I don't even know if I care. Starting fresh might actually be the way to go. I feel like it's hindering. I mean, I missed such a good trade yesterday just because I didn't have enough cushion, if you will, for this funded, and it's actually starting to bug me. So today actually might just be the day where I go, let's see what happens. Either this is gonna blow it or this is gonna take it back into profit, in which case we can start trading like normal again. I'm lazy, don't even want to move. Hammer, do you know what? I feel you. I seriously feel you. That was me this morning. I was lying there and I was like, do I have to move today? It's Friday. Do I have to move though? Answer's always yes though. Then what if you have a poll on a full port Friday? Because the question is, should I full port now? Because I still have New York. If I was gonna full port, should I not full port during New York? Does that make sense? Don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna take trades. But, yeah. I've been doing this for 6 months. You just said, remind me of the crossroad times when my account was messed up. Yeah, it's tough, Atlanta. Asking for a friend. Yes, thanks. New York went up, so I think during New York we should get a Trump tweet to dump markets for the weekend. At this point, it would be boring if I wasn't making a lot of money off of him doing it. That's all up to you. No, true. Hey, Boom! How you doing, Boom? How goes it? How goes it? Are we all ready for this? Boom, how have you been? You've been awfully quiet lately, which is really weird for you. Let's just be real. 3 a.m. Ben. I'm better now. Yay! Are you alive? You feeling like a normal human being again? Hey, Explorer. Hey, how is your health? Are you asking me or Boom? Oh, no, man! Good morning! Where you been? No? Sell would be great, but would they allow it? That's fair. To be fair, I was looking for sells yesterday, and I was wrong about that, but surely, I mean, it's taken out a bunch of buy-side liquidity now, including equal highs. Surely we are bound to see a little bit of a dip down today. I would say there's so much sell-side liquidity, but everything is so far away from each other, so maybe not. Interesting. Okay, past it. Do you set yourself small goals? Atlanta, small goals. Not really. What do you mean by small goals? Oh, you're asking me if I'm in good health? Yeah. Time for a mental reset. Taking too long to pass. Can mess with your mindset. You get stuck trying to recover it for weeks or months, or hit a point where you just say, I'm at that I'm gonna say duck. I'm at that duck it point, to be fair. Which is, I know it's probably not a good thing, but I think that's kind of where my mindset has to be to get over the, no, I shouldn't take this. I need to not, because if you guys saw what happened to me yesterday, I didn't go and cry. I wanted to, don't get me wrong. I didn't go and cry, but I did scream into a pillow because I was so angry at myself. I didn't take an A+ setup because I got in my head and I overthought, and I was like, no, it's more than I'm willing to risk. It was $54. Anyways, I was like, no, it's more than I'm willing to risk, and it would have been a win. So Yes. I think that was like my tipping point of, okay, enough. It's enough now. Enough. Leo, please be honest, how much money? Leo, you've been watching. You know that I haven't had a payout. Reading price chart by blah blah. Have you ever read or listened to the book Reading? No, I haven't even heard of that. Who wrote it? Have you done any back testing on your strategy? Yep. Hey, Mr. Umi, what's up? Mr. Umi says it's gonna be long. Umi, why do you always go against my bias? It makes me sad. It makes me sad because normally you are correct, and then I go, damn, maybe I am really bad at my bias. Oh well. Keep an eye on oil. If oil breaks and hold, and then Trump tweeted, and more than likely he's threatening war again. Right, Debbie. At this point, it's actually it's more of a joke than anything else. This is really frustrating. I try to help, but I don't, Mr. Umi. For myself, I noticed I started becoming profitable when I set myself very small obtainable goals, like small gains of $15 a day. That's interesting. I guess it's a little bit like Hammer. Like Hammer? Hammer, you still there? Experience in the market, so it was hard to understand the jargon, but now it's music to my ears. Ah, let me... Who's the author? That guy? Hello, wildfire! Sounds like a great time to reset. I hear that. That's just an extra stress now. Full partner, if you make it, you go back to normal. That's... Like I said, Hammer, I think you're gonna just have to join for New York. Not saying I'm not taking trades today, guys. I will take a trade, especially if an A+ setup is here. Especially because London, you can risk very, very little. So why not? But I think New York, I will just be like... Duck it. Let's go. Let's bring it on, people. Oh, Mr. Umi. I love you. You are awesome. You guys are all awesome. And it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. Part of me is going, where did the week go? Another part of me is going, wow, this week took forever. I might not even trade. I want to go big on my full port next week. Ooh, really? Last night giving you insight. About to do this is the twice people like us get. Why don't you mark out the previous high and lows, and then no matter, I do have previous highs and lows right there. Asia low, Asia high. Are you talking about like the session highs and lows, or you're talking about like these highs and lows? Because I definitely got that. I just zoom in a little bit too much. Sorry about that. Ballooned after. Ow! Big on my full point next. Okay, sorry. Atlanta. Ballooned after that quickly for some reason. Doesn't that. Okay, Atlanta, hear me out. Doesn't that just show that confidence is actually the thing? Does that make sense? As soon as you start to have like doubt and it's a proper problem. What's up, Tashi? Why are we doing sad face? It's Umizumi, sorry. I don't like this hiring on. Might be a lot of games today. Hey, trading for newbies, how you doing? Don't stress, no man. Ask away. Yeah, thinking, but were those the highs and lows you were talking about, like the previous sessions highs and lows, or were you speaking like maybe different swings, highs and lows? Just thinking back on it, I had a few defining sink or swim moments. See, I really think it has a lot to do with confidence. Which, okay, I'm gonna get a little bit, I'm gonna be one of those people, give me a minute. But we've had this discussion a few times and about how the charts kind of put a mirror in front of you and make you face things that you struggle with on a day-to-day life, which is weird, right? You wouldn't think that this would have anything to do with it, but I know my flaws and I know my issues, and lack of confidence is definitely one of them. Overthinking is definitely one of them. There was another one, I forgot what it was. Okay, but let's stick with those two. Those are things I struggle with on a day-to-day life, right? Not just in the charts, but the charts just make it so much more obvious because they affect my trading. So it's things that I'm working on. Trust me, I'm doing my bestest to work on them. But I find it wild. You wouldn't think trading would have anything to do with you, but it does. Full countdown. Positions on there, but after that, it's so hard to get comfortable with. It's the main thing. It's just being a good mindset. I'm intelligent enough to do it naturally. My mind just has to be right. And I broke my minimum payouts $50, and that's my daily target. That's awesome. I'm pretty sure I've asked you this before. Who's your broker again? I think we all struggle with the same. See, and it's things that, unfortunately, do hinder your trade. Hinder? Okay, apparently hinder is my word of the week. I said it the other day as well. I'm like, why? Like, never said that ever. But, you know, it does have an effect. I think confidence is almost right, but I'd say comfortable is the thing. That's interesting. Okay. So I guess confidence, there's a very thin line between confidence and cocky, right? Hello, please tell me London session time. It opened. What time are we at? 13 minutes ago. Nation on trading view. So, oh, interesting. Okay. I wouldn't say confidence is my issue. I would say I used to overthink, but there's nothing wrong with thinking. It's just about how you apply that great thinking energy you have, if that makes sense. No, I get it. Like, don't do stupid things. Like, think it through. But the problem is, overthinking and lack of confidence means that you then talk yourself out of things. That's what I do. I talked myself out of the trade yesterday, and it was a freaking good trade. Oh, the markets will surface things about yourself you wouldn't even know existed till you start trading and risking your own money. Trader, what's my view? My view on? Oh, what am I looking for? Again, my bias today is bearish, but I thought it would be bearish yesterday. I was wrong. So don't be married to your bias, you know, get a divorce if it looks like it's not going your way. Comfort creates confidence. Ooh! I like that. Comfort creates confidence. Triple C's. My biggest mistake in trading is fear of losing, letting losers run, then revenge trade. Okay. Hear me out. With regards to the letting losers run, that one is difficult for me, because hear me out. I have had it before where I closed a trade early in the red, you know, don't let the losers run, it then did not hit my original stop loss, turn around and go for TP. So the letting losers run thing I understand, but I also kind of struggle with a little bit because I've had it a few times where literally it has been like a tick or two away from my stop loss and then reversed and went and hit TP. Yeah, I used to do that a lot, but then I realized that I have a lot more time than I realized. When you're in a trade 1 minute candle can feel like 10 minutes. True. Hey Augustine, what's up? But when you start to look at things from a realistic manner, you have this time in the world to make quality decisions. Oh. Hey Louis, what's up? Jack Black to sell. Hey Green Giant. Hi Horsebox. Again, this is the second time I've been called Horsebox. I don't understand what that means. When I say letting losers run, I mean moving the stock to give it space. Oh, got it. Okay. Okay, got it. Where's that? I see we have two different opinions again. Shall we do a little poll and see again? Are we gonna be back at 50-50? I feel like we're gonna be back at 50-50 today. This is gonna be another 50-50 day. I can almost feel it. Right? Hello, babe. I'm getting another 50-50 vibe coming this way. Hey Jean-Pierre, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back. It means hey, really? Where on earth does hey a horsebox mean hey baby? What? That's new. I would not sell, they want you to sell. There might be special. Green Gloves, what's up? How are we doing? Good morning. Ooh, nice. What strategy do I use? I use a bit of a combination, so I guess you could call it my own little strategy. Kind of takes a few different ideas and, you know, smush it together. What do you want? Yeah, but not on my universe. Hey, you sexy pet rabbit! Gosh, okay. You know what? Anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Oh, gosh. Do I use SMC? I use some forms of SMC. I don't. Again, I use different. I use a mixture between market auction theory, ICT, and SMC. And I smush it together to have my own little thing. Hey, Reagan, what's up? SMT divergences. I mean, oh, that's okay. Don't worry. You're a beginner trader, right? Yep. Well, yes. Yes, I'm still a beginner. Ooh, sorry. Let's see what this does. It's got a little bit stuckus. English. Got a little bit stuck on this 3 AM entry point. Ooh, okay. And a bit of a support zone here. London has been doing this these. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I have no idea what this is. So, I mean, market auction theory is essentially the buy in discount, sell in premium. ICT, inner circle trader, you know, he has a few different concepts, but you know, like the fair value gaps and first presented fair value gap, and SMC is to do with the order blocks and getting the higher to lower time frames. Do I know about buy side liquidity? Yeah. Where's everybody at today? I know it's Friday. Okay, to be fair, I am aware that it's Friday. A lot of people chill on a Friday / do not trade. Oh, I lied. Okay. Damn, I lied. I thought that it would be a 50-50 split between the Bulls and the Bears. Bulls are winning hardcore right now. Did not see that coming. Hi, what's up? Knowledge is power, yeah. I forgot to spam the like button. Guys, you got to press the like button on both streams and then you get wins. I don't make the rules, High Life makes the rules. Another great Friday. Let's get the money. I love it, High Life. Well, let's see, High Life. Today is a little bit of a ducket day for me, so let's see what happens. That's the universe rules, nothing I can do. There's an SMC smart money concept. Yes, but it's to do with going the 4 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. Right? Find your order block on the 4 hour, 15. Go away. Sorry. It's getting random notifications. Sorry, that distracted me completely. But yes, it stands for smart money concepts. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. My bad. Apologies. So, wait. High Life, so you've been doing good? You've been doing amazing? I'm so glad. What is a smart money concept? So that's just basically a... Could you call... Yeah, smart money concepts is basically a strategy. Right? You could call it a... It is a strategy, right? Mario G-Man? It's a way of looking at the market. Looking at the charts and finding an ideal entry and exit point, etc., right? So that's a hard nope right there. Anyways. Do you know what I did forget to put there? I forgot to put sideways. I mean, I guess. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. English is just gone. Oh, SMT was created. Anyways. Don't mind me, I'm just contemplating my life. And how I was born English. I was raised English, but yet English keeps leaving the building. So I think today we're going to start dubbing Friday Gibberish Day, and I'm just going to start speaking absolute gibberish. And we're all just going to have to try and pretend to know what I'm saying. Okay, copies. Everyone has their own smart money. Hey Samuel, what's up? 254 is a key level. I mean, it's open. It's market open. No, it's not. I lie. That's... Huh. 254 is actually right at midpoint of Bob level. Interesting. Shadow facts, what country am I from? I am from South Africa. What's up? You're not Australian and Irish, no. I'm South African. We just had one bullish SMT. This uses 5 confluences and 3 out of 5 have bullish. Oh, interesting. Zaza, what's up? Hey man, Coco. Buy or sell? Apparently, buy? You speak French, I wish. I know one phrase in French. Je ne sais pas. It means I don't know. Which I feel is very valid for today. Man, Coco, I still want to see it go and balance out the market. So I still want to see the bears, but you know, I don't give a damn about what I want to see. So I trade what I see, and right now it's going sideways. Nice. Guys, this is a 17-year-old Australian Irish day trader. If I was Irish, I would have red curly hair. That was so stereotypical. I'm so sorry. I might actually suit red hair. I've been debating, but I was like, no, don't do it. It's not worth it. Nah. Yes, you speak French. Nice. What province are you in SA? Oh, I'm in KZN currently. Where are you from, man, Coco? Golden Nasdaq. Nasdaq. The micros, to be specific. You use... No, Green Globe. I don't. Man, Coco, you from Durban? That's cool. So we're like twinsies. Or neighbors. There's also buy or sell for us sideways. I don't know. According to the poll, the bulls seem to be winning. I hate that I'm stuck on my bias, but not for long, not for long, not for long. Gotta wait for confirmations, and right now... yeah. That's all I can say. Just right now, we don't have much. It's by the new daily opening range. I guess you can call it the range. I don't know if the new daily has that much of an impact. It must have a little bit, obviously. And then there's VWAP right there, so it could just pinball between those two. To be fair, Midnight Magnet is up above. Let's see if we tap into that. What line? Oh, this blue line? Is that what you're asking? Sorry, Green Globes. This blue line right here is the VWAP. Was that your question? I apologize. How long have I been trading? A year on Tuesday. Woo, 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 woo. 1 year. How wild. And what asset I'm trading? The Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. Browser, hi. Actually, anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Oh, just oh. I feel like I've disappointed you. I'm so sorry, Green Globe. Huh. Mr. Umi, congrats. Oh, on the 1 year. Thank you. Yeah. How exciting. Part of me is like, oh, I feel like I should be doing better, but another part of me is going, no, I'm not doing bad. It's fine. It's fine. I can sometimes be, believe it or not, I can sometimes be quite impatient. But I know that this is a marathon, not a sprint, and everyone goes at their own pace. Oh, there it goes. Tap into VWAP. broke above VWAP on ES right now. Two micros long equals $100. Do you use indicators? Alex, not yes and no. Not really, actually, which I know upsets a lot of people. Aww. San, you're so sweet. 254 is the target. So VWAP, target, yeah, makes sense. Oh no, you're fine. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, guys, it's Mike the Goat. It's Mike the Goat. I mean, target hasn't hit just yet, just saying. You know when this low-key makes you sad? That's where we're at right now. Whoa, got closer. How old am I? How old do I look? Them's the questions. Okay, now we got change of character, break of structure. Bias could def be in play. If I ever speak like that, you guys have permission to, I don't know, swear at me. Hey Boris, what's up? Good morning, how you doing? She's 48. I knew you thought I was old. Rude. Guys, can you imagine if I was 48? I don't know if you guys would be impressed or be like, yeah, that makes sense. Either way.
Emotional damage.
Rude. I was just asking about the line because it's kind of interesting. Yeah, VWAP's quite a decent... I get VWAP as an indicator, technically. It's not a bad indicator to have. It's a little bit like a magnet and it can be a rejection point as well. So it's a nice point of interest. Like here, you can see it came down to it, had a little bit of a rejection off of it. How much did it reject? 6 points. You know, a little bit of a rejection off of it and then went back down, but... I'm so today. Yesterday, Jim. Oh, nice. I'd be impressed if you're 48. I'm 47 myself. Nice, Mario. Guys, does it count if my body feels like it's 48? I feel like that should count. No? No. Emiliano, what the possible TGIF pattern today? Stop right there. Boris, what? Possible TGIF pattern today. What is... I've never heard anyone say that. What is the TGIF pattern today? When I say I would freaking love to see it retrace, I would love to see it retrace. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the retracement to happen. It just never happens. Yesterday I thought maybe Debbie did call that potentially yesterday was going to be bullish, and then today potentially the bears could come back into play. So I guess we're gonna have to just wait and see. Drink more water if your body feels like it sucks. Yeah. Thank you, Umi. Drink more water if your body feels like it sucks. You know what? Would end up drowning myself if I had to drink that much water. I'm 47, but my body feels like 74. Hey, Eddie, what's up, you young whippersnapper? Am I that count still alive? I check in every so often. You know, it's hovering around this number for weeks. I knew. So to be fair, Lukey, hear me out. Today is a little bit of a ducket day. Today might be the day that I just go see what happens. Either I blow this thing or I get it back into a point where I can start trading like normal again. I'm so sick and tired of like tiptoeing around this account right now. No, I know what TGIF stands for, but like, I've never heard of anyone refer to any sort of pattern to do with that. Sorry, maybe I should have elaborated. I know what TGIF stands for. Thanks, Lukey. How's it going with you, Lukey? Oh, sorry, wait. Oh, that was hilarious. I got yesterday, right? Just need that Trump tweet. Just start the sell-off. You look young and joyful. How dare you guys ask about anything? Ooh, guys, Daniel just yelled at you.
Emotional damage.
Feel the wrath of Samuel. The 15 average. What is tell you guys? Are you asking what's telling you guys? I want your mug. I love my mug. Oh my gosh. Though to be fair, guys, I've actually been... Man, I won't be able to do it this weekend. Maybe I can do it next weekend. I have a thought for a mug, and I think it could look really cool. Hey, Geordie, pause coffee while yawning. Oh, so far the SMT is holding in. Yes and no, isn't an SMT supposed to show a reversal potentially? So the SMTs I understand, but also they low-key confuse me. Me and Geordie are gonna have to sit down and Geordie's gonna have to explain the SMTs properly to me because I do and do not get it. I mean, it was a double bottom here and SMT was created on ES and now we saw the push up, so maybe that's the argument that we could also have there. What's up, Jose? How you doing? Target hit still pumping. How am I? Can't find the chart on trading. Could you help me? Browser. Oh, MNQ1. There we go. MNQ1 exclamation mark. Micro E mini Nasdaq. Hope you can see that. Browser, did that help? Hi. Oh. Are you gonna come say hi to people today? Come say hi, come say hi, come say hi, come say hi, come say hi. Look at the sweet angel. Hello, sweet angel. I know. He is so over my rubbish. Okay. Sorry guys, I am still waiting for an A+ setup. Boop, 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 boop. It is still stuck on a VWAP on ES. It's pumping. It is stuck on ES on NQ. It's pumping on ES. There we go. Nailed it. Out of curiosity, why is that the symbol that you constantly trade? Atlanta. So sweet and simply, it's what I started on, especially micros. Newbie. Now I'm knocking over my water bottles. I'm going to just... So especially as a newbie, to start with the micros so you don't just blow through capitals and blow through accounts and evals, you know. Try and risk management. Save your capital where you can. You don't just want to blow through everything. That's bad. Not a good idea. Cyril King, what's up? We logged into a broken. I just don't like when it's stuck here in this level here, in this shaded level there. I am not a fan of when I get stuck in there, but yes, makes sense. And then there we go. Cool. Sorry, give me a second. Now that I've knocked my water bottles over, they're gonna bug me. See, I drink water and I leave the water bottles everywhere. Woo! Okie dokie. Holy guacamole. Hello there. This is freaking yoga aunties on my case again. What did I do? Hey, Boom, what's up? Wait, who's a yoga auntie and what is she doing? What, getting you to try and do yoga again? Is that yoga? Why did I say yoga? Yoga. Interesting. So we went back down to VWAP on ES. Now is it gonna reject off of it or not? What's up, Boom? You said Maya. You trading tonight? I hope so. Seems like reversal's pulling up. Why you put a hard R in yoga? I was supposed to say yoga. Yoga, like the stretching. So I don't even know where yoga went, but anyways. Is this it? Are we finally going down? Are we yelling timber? Good morning, David. I wasn't expecting that. Everybody's trying to recruit gymbers. It's hilarious. You were turning into a David. What do you mean? What did I do? Mr. Umima, you're looking for shorts. I've been waiting for shorts, yes. I've been waiting for shorts. For them shorty shorts. You're turning into... How am I turning into a David? I'm confused now. Every time Why did I get timed out? No idea. It seems that me. It seems that next level 25300-ish belongs. Oh, back to Midnight Magnet. Let's just look on the 5-minute. Let's see what this looks like on the 5-minute. Interesting. Full range. Huh. Okay, I was respecting the heck out of that volume balance there as well on the 5-minute. How's this look on the 15? Oh, shoot. See if this works out. It does. This is a confirmation for them shorty shorts to be in play. Stuck on VWAP on ES. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see. There we go. Stuck on VWAP on ES right now. Five. Damn. Okay then. Hey, Lava Turtle, what's up? Possibly around for opening up. Ooh, nice Atlanta. Just where are you looking? Yep. Give me a second. I wanted to actually do this and this. Okay, well, it looks like the Bulls won that round. Very interesting. Okay. If it wicks down, it's pumping back up. If it doesn't, it'll drop some more. Whoop, that looked sad. Okay. Whee! Okay, patience, 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 patience. To remind myself about patience. I can't trade what it's doing right now. Unfortunately. So I gotta be patient, which is so frustrating. Anyways, gonna do Margie. Yeah. Patience is a thing, but it's getting so sick and tired of waiting, but I know patience pays. I know that it does. Does not make it any easier. What's up, Ethan? How you doing? Sit on your hands till the green light. Mario, why do you think I started holding my coffee mug like this? Because I was like, I'm gonna start doing things. That's a bad idea. Oh, hey Dirk, what's up? You say it's going up. Up, up, and away. Shorts target 217. So where my TP basically would have been. That's fun. Good grief. Okay. I must say, probably the hardest part about trading is waiting. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Anyways. But sitting and waiting for that A+ setup is the hardest part. Like yesterday, for example, I sat for 2 hours and then there was an A+ setup and then I was an idiot and I didn't take it. But the point is, it took 2 hours for that A+ setup to form. 2 hours. It's fun. Hey, drive with Gagan, how you doing? Wait till it presents itself. Love watching paint dry. To be honest, you do? Why? Why do you love watching paint dry? I mean, I guess it could be satisfying if you have enough adult juice, right? But this unfortunately has no adult juice in it. It's just plain old coffee. Can you imagine, guys? One day, one day when I've had payouts and I think I should just get a very cheap account and just for funsies, have some adult drinks and trade. I know someone did that the other day. They are a lot braver than me. I don't think I would ever do that, but anyways. Yeah, but I've learned over time it comes one way or another nearly every single day. I think gold goes short today. Ooh, finesse. That's interesting. I'm a very boring person, I guess. Nah. Okay, let's rather ask this, right? What do you enjoy about watching paint dry? That's the better question. What do you enjoy about watching paint dry? These are fun. Okay. Well, I started with 100 or so on. You won't start with that. I mean, yeah, that's not bad. Mario and the changes. Oh, like watching the color change? Do you seriously like just sit there and stare at it? Like part of me gets it. I get, okay, but to be fair, it's the ADHD. I get really fixated on like candles. If there's a candle, I can sit there and watch the flame for hours. It's a little bit of a problem. What's up, Justin? How are you doing? Imagine blacking out after reporting your entire account, waking up in profit. I mean, Eddie, I don't even know. Do you throw like a party at that point, or do you... what would you do with yourself? Create an SMT on ES? I mean, ES is pumping. ES is pushing for the buy side. NQ, not so much. Hands off, hands off. Don't diddle in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. Don't diddle. Really? I mean, that's valid. It's my culture. Did you just call me sir? It is your highness. No, I'm kidding. Oh, I was gonna say Mr., not sir. Anyways, what's up? I'm the same when I see the markets open. Just keep watching. Exactly what happened to the poll. Oh, Hammer. Okay, cool. What's up? Joining there, cool. Bulls won on the poll. That's what happened. Yeah. The Bulls won on the poll. I'm heading off to Vegas to be a professional gambler at that point. That's amazing. Okay. Getting ready for reverse again. That's okay, Hammer. Why'd you hop on there? A TP 2 times. If you get a B setup, take it and get out fast and take that sniper trade, or get 100% B setup. The problem is nothing right now is good. Literally. Can I show you every single range? Well, okay, apart from this bigger range, this one I guess could have been a in and quick out, right? But right now, this market does not work with my strategy at all. So here, come in, instant stop loss. Let's do this range now. Instant stop loss. So right now it would actually be dumb for me to take a trade. Literally dumb. So I'm gonna have to sit on my hands for a little bit until I see setups that are going to work for my strategy. That's the thing, not everyone's strategy is going to work with every single market condition. So unlux for me right now, this market condition ain't good for me. So here we are. Hey Dom, what's up? How you doing? Debbie, listen, it's a thing. It's a thing. Really, really do. I love watching the flips. Like, I can sit and stare at a fire for like hours. People think I'm weird. Here I come. In South Africa on holiday for 21 days, 5 to go. Have not entered a trade in those 5, and it feels great. Ghetto Greg, you're in South Africa on holiday? That is awesome! What do you think of it? You're in a foxhole. You're missing so much action waiting for A+ setups. Yes and no. Like, respectfully, you just saw if I'd taken any of these trades, I would have been screwed. Lack of a better word there. Let me know something. Okay. It's range trading heaven right now. Exactly. If you have a range strategy, I can guarantee you are super happy right now. I do not, so. Cape Town is the best city in the world. I want to live in. I haven't started. Ooh, get over, you're gonna judge me. I have never been to Cape Town. And I live in South Africa, and I've never been to Cape Town. Like I said, you're gonna judge me. Samuel, exactly. Thank you, Samuel. I do agree. A little rejection off of that. You know what it's basically doing? It's rejecting off of VWAP on NQ and being drawn to VWAP on ES right now. That's literally just what it looks like currently. It's just... I don't know, it's using VWAP as a damn trampoline right now. Okay, let's check the higher time frame. So 5-minute looks. Interesting. Wait a second. Inverse fit value gap created. Let's see if it rejects off of it. 15-minute looks. Yucky again too. See if this goes back down again. But we aren't breaking this low. Definite supply zone. Support zone, not supply. Definite support zone going on over here. If we break it, we could be seeing the bears come into play. If. One thing is trading a prop account with rules and regulations and trading personal. So Mario, what do you trade? Personal or prop? Minutes closing. Polish stuff. Okay. Interesting. Wee. Sure. Personal. And Mario? I'm assuming you advocate for personal though. I trade only 0.5%. Oh, okay, there we go. Hey, Henry, what's up? Welcome back, welcome back. I need to click the wrong thing.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hey, Woods, what's up? How you doing? I know the chart's actually showing a lot right now, but with regards to my setup and my strategy, it ain't showing me sugar honey iced tea. So this is fun for me. It's actually basically jumping between VWAP and the 3 AM open range. Wait, what time are we looking at? Wow, the 4 AM candle didn't even bring us anything good. Looking at this though, it should go back up. See, it should want to go and take out those highs. Should being the keyword, doesn't mean it's gonna. It also might just be ranging in this level, but after that it wants to go long. You already have your level, so just wait. Good, I'm gonna basically start. I'm starting to understand a bit on the language and terminology. Nice words. Yeah, I must say, when you start... the jargon of trading is so weird. It is so weird. People must think that we are speaking... I don't even know. Like an alien language with how we speak as traders. There's a lot of this and that's and whatnots and yeah. Like I said, I've had a conversation with a friend before and I was like, yeah, and then my break even hit and then oh, and I moved my stop loss too early and then my TP was there and they were like, what? And then I realized, oh wait. You got the range marked up, blue and white lines. This range? What range? No, this is the 3 AM open, this is the 4 AM open. Nope, see, that would have been a loss as well. Well, wait, I spoke too soon. Now it would have been a loss. Hence why I keep saying, have to wait for confirmation. Just sit on my hands and wait. Yeah. Exactly, head and shoulders and double M's and W. Words exactly. An SMT, ICT, freak, MMXM. People just sit there and like, what foreign language are you speaking? We're English, actually. But it's really cool when you learn it. But I do remember starting out and just going, I do not understand what's happening right now. Not a cooking clue what's going on. The 3 AM white line and above it in bob level. Oh, this? Sorry, this was actually the 50% range of the higher time frame. You can see it actually would have been not bad. Teasing me a little bit, but yeah. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. I'm on lesson 4 so far. I had to take a break. That's valid. You have to pace yourself. It can get a little bit much. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, that would have worked out. Okay, wait. I mustn't get too excited. Don't rush into anything. Wait for a little bit more confirmation that we're out of this range before jumping in. I've done it before where it broke out and it was actually just manipulation. And I was like, yes, here we go. And it got me. It hurt my feelings a lot. But anyways. But to be fair, that's a really nice... inverse fair value gap. 4 a.m. Bring the action. That's not a bad wick. That wick is not too terrible. Ooh, part of me wants to take it. Another part of me is like, nah. 217 is the target. I see now I'm on a vertical. However, did you see what I mean about having range marked up? That's literally range trading. Yeah. What's up, David? How you doing? Why are we laughing at me now? I know I'm funny. I'm not funny. Anyways, what's up? Okay. Maybe this is a mistake, maybe it's not, but I have this now set up. Okay. Absolutely no quitting this last, you can tell. She would die. Everyone. Aww, so sweet. Okay, let's see. Go into smithereens, and then you can quickly pass a new one with ease. The Maya way. Mikuave. Did you see that was low-key what I was thinking with this one? I was like, let's take it. Only one contract, because, you know, if I do blow this up, it's gonna definitely happen during New York, but I've still taken it. This one's A+. Theoretically, it should want to go take out the highs, but oh well. How much is actually left? There's still, I don't want to say a lot left, but yeah. If you had to start again today, what would you do different? John, I just wouldn't be so... Do you know how many winning trades I've missed? I think that's the thing, because I've been overly like, ooh, I've been tiptoeing around everything. Because of that, I've missed so many winners. Because I've been, yeah, overly cautious, but it's fine. It is what it is. But like, is your drawdown trailed? Technically it's not supposed to be, but apparently they do. So I think next 4 trades, $100, bang, go out with confidence. Mother fluffer. Watch it go down now. Anyways. Maya, are you going to do a hammer and full pot Not now. What's up, OTT? How you doing? I won't full port, but I'm taking them. I'm taking my setup. I'm not gonna be all about it. So I don't know why I always do this with my hands, but OTT, how you doing? Exhausted but doing good. Good. OTT, I didn't even finish reading your message. I'm so sorry. Let me actually go and read your message properly. I feel a bit like a witch with a bee for not reading it properly. Wow, I'm a bad person. Anyways, it's been a long week, guys. Just a reminder, I'm not here Monday and Tuesday, but I will be doing a vlog, which is weird. I've never done one before. Good luck to all of us, because you guys are gonna have to witness that chaos. Okay. Sorry, that was really funny. Left me on half read. Oh gosh. I would say let me read it right now, but this is... Actually, it doesn't matter. Let's see, one of you shout if it does something cool. Oh. I have a question actually for you, OTT. Mother fluffer, are you kidding me? Missed me by a few ticks and now it's gonna go and hit TP. Hey T-Sav, what's up? No ways you got edge. I really did. I really did. It did this to me yesterday. Let's see if it's the same amount of freaking ticks. No. By half a freaking point. It missed me by half a point. At least yesterday had the audacity of missing me by 3 points. All right then. Let's do this one last time. Let's see. Follow it down ever so slightly. It could pop up one more time. If it hits my full TP though. Him. That was rude. The market is rage baiting you. Oh, trust. You know what? Sometimes I'm actually convinced there is a market maker watching my stream going, this will be funny. This right here will be funny. Now it looks like it's double bottom. It hasn't quite taken out that level yet though. Oh. Silent billionaire, the marketer. Oh, for crying out loud. It's doing a good job at it. It's doing a really, really good job at it. Hey, look at that. The full range would have worked out beautifully. Full range would have hit TP. Awesome sauce. Mother fluffer. Alrighty then. Oh gosh, okay, 217. I'm better than yesterday. It was a bit rough. Loads to do, got it done that. That literally rage baited me completely, but at least I set it right. Let's just be happy chappies right now. We set it. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Now. That took out a little bit of sell side liquidity. What did we tap into? Let's check the higher time frame on the 5 minute. It did tippy tap into an order block, so that's cool, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Check solidly off. Okay, here's a solid supply zone though. Asia low next? Question mark? Looks like it. Cool. Are we bob to bobbing? Kinda. Kinda looks like we're bob to bobbing. Now though. Full range? Not full range. What did it just take out? Oh no, it just took out my point of interest. I was like, this took out something. No. Asia. Nope, nope, nope. Stop it, stop it, stop it. I said stop. Wait. Wait for me. I wasn't ready. Well, I was ready. Actually, that's a lie. You just didn't come and tag me in. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, it's another A+. I felt that crying out loud. T4J, yep. That's all over. Telegram channel. No. Maya, I missed your question. Oh, right. Wait, I didn't ask the question. Maybe that's why you missed it. That would do it. Wee, wee, wee. Ooh, I don't like that. Oh dear. Okay, well, we did just kind of tap and turn. Okay. Oh no, we're still going down. Never mind. It's going down, down. I'm just gonna follow this until Asia low. I feel like that's low key where we at right now. Ignore that. This does feel a little bit like chasing. Jordy, I took the short. Jordy, but it didn't tag me in. It didn't tag me in. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see the audacity? That's where we are. There's just audacity happening today. Wait, I'm not ready. Name of words. Oh gosh. Cool off before you enter the next trade because you've already missed a wonderful opportunity. Sorry, this is to what OTT said about David.
Emotional damage.
What chart is this? This is the Nasdaq futures. That's not good. Actually, I still don't hate this. I know it actually did pop into a value gap, but if it tags me out, I miss out on $17. So, oh no. Maya, Jordy was ready. No, but that's not fair because I was ready. It just didn't didn't come and get me. I feel like there's a difference. I was oh so ready. Reject off of that level. How many trades do you take a week on average? I think this week I've taken like 3, which is not a lot. Jordy always really big bro words. Wow. Well, let's see. Whenever you play emotional damage, it makes me laugh every time. Yeah. I'm out, managed to lock in 500. Nice, Mara, that's awesome. Monster Marv, how goes it? How goes it? Long time no see. You doing good? Want to see how it reacts there. Oh well. I'm watching ES right now, Nasdaq. Yeah. Ah, nice, I'm in. I need stop loss sound. The new stop loss sound is the best by far. I know, Debbie loves it. Let's see if I play it today. Hey Charles, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? Oh, it's at a deciding point. This is fun. Order filled is the best sound and can be the baddest sound too. I love that. It's valid. Order filled, and you kind of go, okay. Ooh, I needed it to break below there. Not do that. Hey, Gaurav, what's up? I'm going to get stopped just for you. Hey, Debbie, what a weird goal to have. I want to get my stop loss hit so that I get that sound played. I mean, it could still happen now. Who knows? I think we need to go down because market needs to retrace or push here. Charles Knarwin. I just clocked that now. That is amazing. My style is a little bit of a mix of things, which I know some people love, some people hate. It's kind of a mixture between market auction theory, ICT, and SMC. Okay, smushed into one. Probably gonna end up playing that noise. Are you ready? If it works, it works. True. Might not work now because it did tap into an order block. Oh, damn. So I'm going oh, damn because of ES. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It literally just jumped so high on ES. All right then. Yep. Oh my good grief. Okay, Debbie, I got you. That is Debbie's new favorite sound. I'm here to oblige. Okay. Little crossover here. I'm curious about something here. Quick sticks. That may have edged me as well. Rude. And last thing I want to see is what this does now. If this does work, is this on everyone's chart? Who's trading ES right now? Is this on everyone's chart right now? This? That is insane. Yeah, there's not a missing candle there. On ES? Who's trading ES? Okay, let's see this thing. 4957 oh 7 da, da, da. Point. Cool. On my chart isn't an S&P. That is insanity. That is a huge jump. Oh damn. Okay. That was that question. Oh wait, I didn't even take a screenshot of this. Did I? I don't think I did. Whoopsies. Let's do this. No, that's different. Sorry, journaling. Done. Done, done, done. Okay, we can see rejection here. SP looks like. And go down now. So this one actually was the correct play. It just had to retest further up. Why does ES have so many holes in it today? NQ doesn't have that many freaking holes. ES looks ridiculous. Savannah story time, so what? What's up? Hey, Alucard, what's up? Where do you track a journal? Which software? I'm using FX Replay right now. It was scary. They want to manipulate hard. A little bit. Pity. Like I said, I'm still bummed about this trade. Missed me by half a tick. Rude. So rude. Oh well, on to the next, right? Going back up. Oh. To be fair, actually, when I saw it reject like this, I should have closed a little bit in profit. But it has done it before where it's rejected and then came back down. Now well. Kind of like that. Rejected, went a little bit back up. Let's see if this is now where we go back down again. Shoot. Hey, Andy. What's up? Mr. Umi says going back down, and Dom says, oh sorry, Mr. Umizumi says it's going back up, and Dom says it's going down. Dun dun dun. Let us see, shall we? There is now not another A+. No, there's not another, no. Let's give the brain cells a minute to kick in. I come back and see pain. What's up, OTT? No, not really. Not even pain. 237. This was sure hitting 247 and going down. Oh, okay. So we have two different opinions about how high up it's going. Yes, it's cool. Green cloak. Oh my gosh, it actually is. Guys, why does ES look so disgusting today? What is this? I've actually never seen ES look like this before. I've seen gold look like this before, but I've never seen ES look like this before. What the heck is going on? Well, in that case, I choose sideways. Ay, ay, ay. Angela was right there. I can't believe it did that to me. No. No, I didn't even miss that. Rude. Oh well. Do 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 do. Sorry, that's not gonna be stuck in my head for a bit. Curiosity. Theoretically, I could take this. Just a continuation gap. ES isn't going up or down, that thing's going backwards. Hamzabat, what's up? Very interesting name. Are you good? To leave it a little bit. Okay. Let's see what we get here. My mother's call at valve for her. What's happening, girl? What has happened? What did I just miss? See, like, okay, again, I'm not good at head and shoulders and thingy bloopies. No, it doesn't look like it on a 5 minute, never mind. Well, I don't like that doji. Okay, well, it's filling that gap on ES now. Gap closed, we're still bearish. Do 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 do. Okay, just okay. 438. Not much has happened. We broke 0.5 and we go to a profit. I mean, up. Because my profit would be up here. What do you mean, Dom? So naturally I didn't take this one now. Even though it was A+. So it's gonna work out. Because I didn't take it. Oh, down before. Okay, so Dom still thinks this is gonna go down. Let's see who's correct. Umi and Sandy still to say this is gonna go up. I say the secrets of trading. You can if you want to, grow up. What are the secrets of trading? Fade Maya. Well, at this point. Nah, I'm kidding. Could potentially see a move back to hourly gap before next move lower. Oh, interesting. Does the resistance line become the support line in a downtrend? I like to say yes. Maya, who told you to take A+ setups? The A+ setups did. 237. There we go. Umi says 237. Sandy said 247. So Sandy one-upped you, Umi, just saying. I'm sticking with sideways. I mean, Debbie. Not wrong. Okay, I need to triple my money before 5. Am I in the right place? Nope. Made today $6 and $7. Cam-bam! Whoop whoop! $6. The green is green, my man. Whoop whoop. Well done. Green is green. Anyone else that's had a whoop whoop, well done. Last week I had 10% to go to pass the eval, but this week blew it all. Learn not to trade in a chop, only go for A+ setups. Yep. Murmuria, right? Is this the QQQ? No, sorry, MNQ. MNQ for Maya never quits. She might tilt sometimes, but she never quits. Like this, I might want to just smash some things. I don't have anything to smash though, which is kind of sad. Because I took this trade and I was like, oh, this is also A+, but let me sit on this for a second. This would have tagged in, this would have been this trade. Just by the way, people. Not there. Chop. This would have been this trade. BT dubs. Anyways, moving on. I want you to whoop till I'm doing 40k per day on autopilot. 40k per day on autopilot. Damn, Eddie, you got standards right there. What's the what? What's the huh? Where I live? What's the huh? Sorry, Lucas, say that again. Oh, good grief. That took me a minute. That took me a minute. Okay, guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna lose a lot of viewers very quickly, but to calm myself down quickly, do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna quickly do butterfly of the day. It's something I do every single day. We're gonna do butterfly of the day, and then a little bit later, we're also gonna do fun fact Friday. Fridays, I also do fun facts because I can. Fun fact Fridays are awesome. So let's start with butterfly of the day because it's what I do every day, and it's now a thing, and I love it. So butterfly of the day. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we get a good one now that I'm officially rage baited. We've done that one. This one looks like a moth. It's Friday. Let's get you a goodie. Brother Bear! So I'm gonna be cheeky. I'm gonna find you guys a great one. Because it's Friday. Ooh, he's cool. Okay, apparently the book said no. Found it. Okay. Cambridge. Vagrant. Butterfly. Ta-da! He's pretty, right? Look at him. He's very pretty. This is a nice butterfly of the day for Friday. So we had to make it a good one. It is Friday. So wingspan is 50 to 60 millimeters. Damn, okay, just a biggie. Well, biggish. Watered silk appearance with coloring right upside. Okay, so distribution found in thicker forest, then it's what? Okay, anyways, seldom venturing into savanna, lowland, and riverine forest, and lower Afromontane forest from KwaZulu-Natal to Swaziland in Mpumalanga and Limpopo province along escarpment. Habitat is forest edges and gullies. The flight period is year-round, peak Feb to May. So, I'm going to attempt to say its Latin name. Nephronia thalassina sinullata. Ta-da! And just like that, we've got butterfly of the day. Now, back to the charts. Unsubscribed booth. Just wow. I'm just gonna thank you. Wow, Debbie! Rude. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, thank you, Mike. You're so sweet. That's just Eddie, you're so rude. Okay, well that was butterfly of the day. Okay, well let's see if this gives us another opportunity. Oh, okay, Debbie called sideways pretty well. Nice call, Debbie. Is this gonna start dropping? 447. Okay. In like an hour or so, we'll do Fun Fact Friday. I don't pick the fun fact, it's a fun fact generator, so who knows what we're gonna get. I'm still in, a shortcoming. Oh wow, David, that was terrible. That was classic though, well done.
Nice.
Yeah. Doop 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 doop. Where's this headed? It's trying to open. Oh, guys, these hiccups are actually driving me insane. There we go. Oh, I nearly died. It's headed to 25k. I mean, most likely. Nothing amazing there. Doesn't look like on the 5 minute. No. I feel like I'm gonna kick myself for doing this again, but let me check out this one. Rude. Would have hit my stop loss. Okay, let's wait for confirmation then on this one. This could be a little bit of a retest and then back down. 1, 2, nope. It's a B setup. So, can't take that one. Sell on the retest, just exited. A short on yes because I thought it was just going sideways, only for it to hit towards my TP. T-Trades futures, I hear that. We have a good target below Asia low. I know, that's what I was targeting. Oh well. It happens. It is what it is. Meh. Part of the game, we can't win them all. Like a Ben, exactly. Spitting facts right there. Also, it's Duck It Friday. Sorry, we're at that point with this funded where I'm actually just like, this now either needs to start getting some wins, or we need to just get a new eval. Because it being so close has been affecting everything. Grav is long on NQ. Oh, interesting. Okay. Should get the breakout this range shortly. Looking like bears are winning though. Yeah, why did they just have to take so long to win? Why didn't they win earlier, Brood? Should have fought harder, bears. Come on. Now entry goes a little bit lower. Me. Impact Pokemon cards with like King cards back. Good grief, David, that's insane. I think I might kidnap a caterpillar and hold them hostage for about a month. Why? Eddie? That is the most random thing you have ever said, and you say some very random things, so what? Wee! Oh my goodness. Brother Bean. Couldn't have done that earlier? No? Cool. Rude. Hallelujah! What up? Amazing trader, by the way. Thanks for trading mistakes by learning. Combine CRT and... Silent billionaire, you're such a sweetie pie, thank you. Oh wait, there's my notepad. I was like, I know that I have it open. There it is. Into the abyss. Yoke open, I think back up. The manipulation is high these days. Evolution dinosaurs, what's up? In hopes butterfly pops up. What? I'm so confused, Eddie. You've lost me. You have officially lost me. Oh, what? Yo, I'm selling. Why? Oh, this just created a double bottom. And a solid freaking SMT. Wow. I want to say let's wait for it to retest, but this one now looks better. That's not ideal. That was taken. That's not bad. We got 1-1. Get back in on the retracement. I don't think this is gonna retrace. Asia low. Where's the next? Oh, it's down there. Wow, we have and we have not moved in the same breath. Which is insane. Am I in a different dimension, or do caterpillars evolve into butterflies? I might be in a Pokemon universe. They do, but you have to know which caterpillar. I mean, some caterpillars turn into moths. Do you want a butterfly or do you want a moth? Butterfree, I choose you. Do 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 do. Okay. This looks interesting. Bye bye Butterfree. It was the most depressing episode in Pokemon. It wasn't that bad. It was sweet. Butterfree went back with his own kind. 4:57. Ooh, okay, we're 3 minutes away from the new hourly candle. Let's see what we get. Bears need to break the swing low to take full control. I know, that's what I'm kind of waiting for, but they are clearly struggling. Clearly. I have hold the pet salt. Can we get a bit of like make it snappy? Before actually I'm in long before shorts. Grub, didn't you say you were in a long like over here? So didn't that then hit your stop loss? Okay. While we are waiting, right? While we are waiting, guys, don't forget I do have a Discord. I want to try and make the Discord more fun. I need suggestions, guys. Suggestions. What should we add to the Discord to make it more fun? Oh, you trade without a stop loss, right? Remember today's CPI, it's gonna be... What time is CPI? Silent Billionaire? Hey, old lab, what's up? How you doing? Okay, one up. Here we go. Here's the new hourly. Alrighty then. 8:30. Thank you, off air. You've been awfully quiet, off air. Are you good? What's up? Welcome, welcome. Butterfly of the Discord. What post butterfly of the day on the Discord, guys? You're gonna be spammed with butterflies. We can have a giant charades game. 3:30. Thank you. Silent billionaire, where you from? Sorry, I just kind of went, wait a second. So not 3:30, wouldn't that be 2:30 GMT time? Like you said, we can expect some chip chop to come here. Hey Virgil, what's up? Love the addition. Oh, thanks, Mike. Why is everyone in the States trading futures? Well, Jewel, I'm not in the States if that's what you were saying, but futures are pretty good to trade, just saying. Just, you know, from my unbiased opinion, obviously. Level and 1 for aww. I'm from Kenya. Oh, that's so cool. Watch out for them butterflies. It's a secret code of jargons. I can't tell if you're being serious, Virgil. Know the price before closing the hour. Perhaps the continuation will increase volatility. Well, suitable for short setup. Oh, hey Dave, well done. Uh, 25050 sell-off. Wait. I have to do this for Dave. Dave! Whoop whoop, well done, well deserved. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Let's see what this is gonna give us now. I love the word. Ah. Javan, of course. Eddie's butterfly is of the night is the black swallowtail. I was low-key frustrated. I was just thinking I should take this shorty short. Your chart is lagging 200 points behind mine. That makes no sense. How many trades do I take in a day? Depends on the day. Yep, seriously depends on the day. Oh damn, ES looks like it's pushing up again. ES is creating more gaps. I wanted to do something. Oh, I wanted to check the... What did you say? What's it called? What's it called? Black swallowtail. You know what's funny? I am pretty sure I've seen these here in South Africa. Sorry, these are very... Yeah. It's very, very cool. Oh, sorry, you guys don't know what I'm looking at. Tato, should I just call you Tato? Tato, I'm so sorry. Should I buy? Let's see. Sell-off was already happened on my chart, but sell-off on 205 hasn't been yet on your chart. Virgil, what are you trading? NQ or MNQ? Because they are different. Does paper see me? Well, it's not paper trading. I'm in the USA. What country am I at? I'm South African. So this will be... Interesting. Interesting. Heard. Right, for value gap above to be filled and price should show rejection. This for value gap up here. Ooh, good grief. How's it over here? It's good. You're from India. Tell me your address. Shit. Don't take this the wrong way, but no, I'm not telling you my address on live. Like crazy. I almost got stopped out there. Come on, drop it now. Oh, look at the timeline. Let's see. To be fair, it was for a very valid reason. This was a solid double bottom. This could have started spiking up. Probably. Well, probably. Let's see what happens here. It will still go up. I'm buying now. Okay. Hey, I just buy a preserved butterfly. Oh. Okay, Eddie. My TP is your Asia low. It's not a bad TP to have. Shoot. Okay. Rejection off of that volume imbalance on the 1 minute. I think that volume imbalance was on the 5 minute as well. Oh, it was. Ooh. Yes, it was. Oh god, I did look here and see that and went in. See if it retests and then goes back down, then it could be a good short. I do trade New York session, yes indeed, yo. I do. I'm here for both London and New York session. Every day. Monday to Friday. Cool. Anyways, let's see what this does and how this reacts here. With such a massive SMT that it created, I expected a little bit more of a rejection. How long have I been trading? 1 year! On Tuesday, exactly. Would be 1 year of trading. Which funded account do I use? So I'm currently using Top 1 Futures. So I have only been trading a year. This is my first ever funded account. So I've not had a payout yet, so I can't tell you more than that. I can tell you Tradeify is very trustworthy and so is Top 1 Futures is still a little bit newer. That's a little bit more new. So I can't tell you with regards to that, but I've heard amazing things with both Tradeify and Violinox. With those two, basically, you have to do some really scandalous things to not get payouts. What's up, Jayesh? How you doing? Aw, thank you, Super Earthman. I appreciate it. Some days it does not feel like that, but I appreciate it. Give me reference? What do you mean, give you reference? I mean, if you want to go check them out, there's links in the description below. I mean, Violinox is currently having an 89% special off of their option 1. But the only problem with Violinox is you can't use TradingView, which I know it's a bit of a bummer for some people, because some people prefer using TradingView, but you can use NinjaTrader. So that's cool. I know some people love NinjaTrader. Yeah. And Violinox has an activation fee, whereas Tradeify is a little bit more expensive per month, but no activation fee. I'm switching from option trading to this, so it's new to me. Oh, that's cool though. That's cool. What made you decide to make the switch? Hey, Indicator Algo, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, that's trading up and downs. After a few years, it'll become automatic. That's true. That's true. I mean, a little bit, well... How do I put this? I'm in a little bit of a dip. But it's more of a mental dip. So that's something I'm just gonna have to get over, right? Something I'm just gonna have to work on, but that's for me to work on. Add more trades for going. Oh, fantastic. That's good. Can you give Insta ID? Yeah, it's just teach my trading. Same with like TikTok or anything else. Just teach my trading. Yeah. I did actually see that. Yeah, it is. It's a once-off, so you don't have to pay per month. I thought that was freaking amazing. Thank you for that, Mac. Yeah, Tradeify actually is on par, and it's having a 40% off on all accounts for the first 5. So I think you can reset it 5 times for 40% discount, but after that, obviously, can't do it. But once-off fee, no activation fee either. So right now, Tradeify is competing pretty impressively. That's why, and okay guys, I'm gonna say something, and I know it's the wrong mindset. Okay, I am very aware, so please, please judge me a little bit if you will, it's fine, I understand. Part of me come for New York, because New York, I'm just gonna kind of be like, this is it. Let's see, either we get this funded back up to a point that we're like, yeah, we can do this, or we blow it because I actually want to get myself a Tradeify account, and trying to get this wiggle room with this funded account where it's so close to being blown is actually messing with my psychology. So I am at that point where I'm like, either I need to just start going all in, and either it's in the green, awesome, then we're out of that iffy, or it blows and then can start fresh. Either way, I know, judge me a little bit, it's not the best way to be thinking about it, but good grief. Please keep improving at the speed you're at. You should be. Oh, thank you, Super Earthman. I appreciate it. You sold your horse? No, I did not sell my horse, JJ. You crazy. Maya's going. I'm not gonna full port. To be fair, it wouldn't be very difficult to full port this right now. Just need like 2 contracts. 2 contracts to hit the max drawdown. So meh. But no, I won't full port. I'm just gonna stop being so, you know, like, about it. And then we'll come back on Wednesday. I'm not here next week, Monday and Tuesday, guys. Sorry. Sorry about that. I'm still not a believer in full porting. I think full porting is bad, but yes. We are still gonna have fun. JJ, what on earth made you think I sold my horse? I would never. Oof. Look at this thing go. Yeah, struggling to break. 516. It's nearly time for Fun Fact Friday. Always be bad times pushbacks at 1 year or at 20 years. Trust me, but every spring forward has some sorts and there's so many along the journey. I'm hard about convincing people to use. Okay. I haven't tried any indicators yet because I haven't exactly had any time to backtest. Like I said, life has actually just been crazy recently, so bear with me, guys. Oh, once on the laptop, my dad made my first million. You made your first million on a damn girl. Okay, what you got going now? Kevin, I like you. Whenever I scroll YouTube, you're there. I watch you. Aww, thanks, Kevin. You're so sweet. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. You press the like button, though. No, I'm kidding. I'm just messing with you. Give me a trading. Oh, it's just teach Maya trading, guys. It's super. Yeah. When in doubt, it's just teach Maya trading. Oh, good grief. See? So many indicators. So many indicators. Okay, seeming as we are now officially going sideways, shall we do Fun Fact Friday quickly? Because now this what should prove me wrong and start moving now. This is sideways. There we go. I swear someone's watching and they think this is really funny. Is this a double? No, not really. I wouldn't quite call this a W formation. What's up, Destin? Really? Thanks. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, then 2 steps forward again. Repeat over and over again. It's how trading is. Yeah, I had that. There was actually a point where it felt like I was doing 3 steps forward. Whoa. Whoa! What just happened? What was tweeted? Who tweeted what? There must have been a tweet that went out. What just happened? Holy moly. Alrighty then. Uh-oh. Aww. Hey. Satish, how you doing? Let's wait for CPI. Holy yeah. Trump farted. Sorry. Oh, that got me. That was good. All fake markets are cooked. That's an understatement. I think that's also the thing, right? What? Kevin, was that you? Kevin! Oil just dumped. Okay. What time is CPI in SA time? It's at 2:30 p.m. News Ukraine. Oh, what's the news? Ah, Destin, that's interesting. Please can you explain how you take that market? I mean, right now, like everyone has said, the markets are low-key a little bit unpredictable. Like, I did say double bottom. Did I not say double bottom? Sorry, that was very immature of me. I'm so sorry. You all are getting the very weird Maya today. You guys are just gonna have to bear with me. Anyways, let's, whoa. Holy guacamole. It's funny, this move that's happening right now is all retail. Why? Why? Oh, JJ, don't worry. That's actually a good point. I haven't. Sorry, I think I've just been so busy when I've been there. I'm actually going to be doing a vlog. So guys, the reason I'm not here Monday and Tuesday is because I am moving again back up to Gauteng. But I'm gonna send the horses there first because the treatment down here where they are currently is shocking. So they're gonna go somewhere where they're gonna be properly sorted and I can rest easy. So they are going back up Monday and then I'm only flying back down the side of the world Tuesday. So obviously I cannot trade, but I will do a whole vlog of the journey. I've never done a vlog before, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. It might be chaotic. Then again, what part of Teach Maya Trading is not chaotic? So. Okay, how to find this now? Eastern Europe and the Middle East. Really? Good time and good price action to be a day trader. Volatility is good, and how can we make our money? Oh, profits. I tried Scalp yesterday and everything I made this week. Oh no, Destin, that's not good. Where are you going? Oh, just accounting. They don't have a mobile app. Oh, me to trade on mobile? Well, I guess I could, but number one, I've never done that before. Second of all, the deal I made, that I have made with you guys, is that every single trade I take, I will take live. That was always the deal, because the whole point of this is to be very open and honest about the whole journey. So there's no, how's she doing this or that or anything. I love your ADHD brain though. I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't finish a sentence, did I? I was explaining something, didn't... Oh, shoot. What was I explaining that I didn't finish explaining? I apologize about that. At least we have fun here. You can't say it's boring. Chaotic? Yes. Mildly unhinged? Yes. But we have fun here. Yeah, you said... Oh, so I'm in South Africa right now. So it's just a more inland version of South Africa. I'm currently down by the coast. It just don't just fix it up. Succeed historically back to this as well. For 115 market most high time frame, same long term. Your boy, we cooked. Wait, like, what happened? Are you okay? I just realized the pool guys haven't come. Give me a second. Oh no, I'm a scalper. I'm not a swing trader. I'm a scalper. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, can confirm they have not come yet today, which is kind of weird. Has this stabilized? Not really. Asia low coming. Dom, surely that took you out. Surely that hit stop loss. What the hell is that candle? Oh gosh. Give me a second. What did I want to do? Oh. Let's give the market a few minutes to settle after whatever the hey diddly day that was. Seriously. Like, that was insane. What's it charging? It's 2:30 a.m. here. What time is it there? Oh my goodness. Why are you awake? It is 11:27. Oh my gosh, it's already 11:27 a.m. Yes. So it's like the middle of the day here in South Africa. I must say, South Africa is the best time zone to be trading in. You got both London and New York during the day. You can rest well at night, which means you're not tired when you're trading. It's great. It's great. Oh, that's amazing. Does look like a big liquidity grab now. Yep, a little bit. That felt very intentional and very rude. Okay. Are we ready? Let's do Fun Fact Friday. Quick sticks. Fun Fact Friday. Where's the fun fact? Hello. No, I need the fun fact. Where is it? There it is. Oh my gosh, it's about planets again. So Jupiter completes a full rotation on its axis approximately every 9 hours and 55 minutes, making it the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. I have seen this one before. I've seen that one. Okay, here we go. The sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona, can reach about 2 million degrees Celsius, making it over 360 times hotter than its 5. What? That's interesting. I didn't know that. So its atmosphere is hotter than its surface. That's cool. I mean, it does kind of make sense. Anyways, there we go. There's fun fact. I don't know why it loves planets, but there's Fun Fact Friday. The sun's atmosphere is 360 times hotter than its actual surface. My question is, how did they test that? That would be a fun fact. How did they figure that out? It's 5:30 a.m. here in New York. We're just waking up. I think London's best trading hours. London 8. Back on for New York Open. 2:30 p.m. Okay, no, that's valid. Mikuave, okay, you got me there. You got me there. In India at 9:30 a.m. is midnight open in the US. Perfect timing as well. I think it's because of radiation waves and solar flares. Makes sense. Thermal camera on a telescope. But how accurate is that though? I don't know anything about any of that, so. Your Pepsi Girl, I'm a Coca-Cola boy myself. No, I just have the shirt. It's just a cool shirt. I'm indifferent. To me, they taste very, very different. They send a monkey there and reports the temperature.
Nice.
That was good. Respect. Respect for that one. Okay. I mean, that was entertaining. That was a very entertaining candle. Do we think this is just going to continue now sideways? Probably, until CPI. Every London trading hours the best, because everything fits around our time. Okay, cool kid. Damn. No, I'm kidding. Just kidding. It's okay to be a Pepsi girl. It's legal. I'd say it's pretty accurate. nerd. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Well, there we go. Thank you. See, I didn't know that. Just messing around. Well... Wait, I wanted to do something. I wanted to do this and that. Well, that's Fun Fact Friday and everything done. Do we think we're actually gonna get more things? More decent things here? Only thing that's London trading hours is time is moving more consistent than London and New York. I mean, to be fair, Asia was pretty meh today. Friday 4 astronauts are supposed to land on the coast of San Diego. Oh, that's cool. Weren't they the ones that got sent to just go around the moon or something? Why have we stopped landing on the moon? Why are we just going around it? Okie dokie. Asia low, or is just now sideways? You think we... Oh, okay, my bad. Super Earthman. Oh, good grief. Okay, I see. I tapped into a can of worms with that one. To no government is vegetable. It's valid. I'll argue with you on that one. Okay, what does this look? Go away. Sorry, there's a fly. What did I just do? Didn't do anything. Thank heavens. Minute. Wow, the markets really have just been going nowhere slowly today. Wasn't there? Hammer, so what happened? What with that freaking candle? Apparently there was some news about Ukraine? Is that right? Who knows, because that's insane. Head and shoulder. No one has ever been to the moon. You clearly don't understand how vacuum and fire partially work together. Oh, okay, like I said, I see a can of worms has been opened. Aw, shout out to the indicator, Elbow. Totally understand you're busy and don't have time to try indicators, but I guarantee the indicator will improve your trading to a point where you'll become profitable. The indicator literally tells you real-time momentum. Well, like I said, indicator, won't be able to do anything. Maybe on Sunday. Tomorrow I'm gonna be a busy bee getting everything sorted, and then Sunday I'm gonna mentally prepare myself because we are literally leaving with the horses at like out the gate at 3 a.m. in the morning, which means I am gonna be awake at 1 a.m. in the morning sorting everything out. I missed it, don't really want to trade yet. That's valid, no worms. We're just talking. We're cool, we're cool. I feel like... you ride horses? I do, I ride horses. No, it's not 3 a.m. wake up, it's 1 a.m. wake up. David, get it right. It's 3 a.m. Horses are in, everything's loaded. We are out because it's a freaking 8-hour trip with horses. It's gonna be insane. I don't know, he hasn't been here in ages. What are you gonna do with the horses? The earth is flat. They're just going to a new yard. Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Good grief. Can of worms opened everywhere. All them conspiracies are gonna come out now. Oh, people gonna be judging hardcore. Am I in it? No! No, I'm not. Black, are you? After that little spike, I'm waiting to see what happens. I mean, it probably was a complete... I'm expecting sideways action until CPI, and then hopefully New York gives us something good, but right now I'm expecting sideways. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. Let's see, let's give this, what, like 5 more minutes? Let's see if we get something decent, but so far nothing here is worth me looking at. Let me ask this, how far is the sun from Earth? Wait, I can't tell if you're being serious or not. Are you actually a flat earther? 8 hours, you can drive around UK twice in that time. Yeah, heavy as fuck. I made a good amount last few days from low, but was heavily down. Back to even, thankfully. Hey, Clack, well done. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say for today. Just, yeah. Quick question. Can you summarize your trading strategy and share it with us from higher time frame zones to lower time frame zones? Nah. I'm gonna get judged for this one. Charted it. Idiots. I'll say my math in Discord and wait to be proven wrong. Hammer, please answer the question. Hey Dev Josh, please answer the question. Are you actually a flat earther? Are you messing with us? What's happening? What is happening right now? So many questions. $5.39, let's see. Your indicator is really trash. That's rude. Oh, you're talking to me? Mikuave? Rude. I'm a Square Earth fan. Well, I mean, that's something. I'm saying I don't believe the TV, and yes, we never went to the moon. Okay, so you don't believe in the moon landing. That's fine. That's valid. That's valid. I'm still asking about the flat Earth thing, though. Maybe not twice, probably 1.5. Actually, but still 8-hour drive. That's long, but you're also gonna be happy after that. Nope, but it's what I'm going with. To be fair, I mean, they did the drive coming down here, so they've done it before. Technically, there's the hood. Welcome to the Friday debate day. Apparently, this is a very. This took a wild turn of events today. Normally, we'd end up talking about food, or I don't know. We end up having very weird topics of conversation. But today's one is interesting. Okay, you have 4 more minutes. Let's see. Four more minutes. Da, 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 da. Da 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 da. As you're interested in why we're here. I mean, to be fair, I'm just reading out these comments and going, okay then. So who votes that this is just gonna go? Let's actually do a poll. Who thinks this is just gonna go sideways till CPI? Hey Carlos, what's up? Oh, okay, so yeses are winning 100% right now. That has never happened before. Oh, okay, there we go, there we go. One dropped down, oh, and went back up. Okay, oh, my goodness. I don't think I've ever seen it just be 100%. That is insane, okay. So sideways until CPI appears to be the winner chicken dinner. So it's low-key a rugby ball, David? Isn't that crazy, crazy times? You can sit behind a camera and screen and do what you're doing. It's cool. Which butterfly is more beautiful? Rob? I have no idea. Oh, okay, no, I take it back. I take it back. It's on 57%. Some people don't believe this is gonna go sideways until CPI. On the one stream. The other stream is still at 100%, which is wild. Everybody get your votes in. I want to see. I'm curious. I personally believe this is gonna go sideways. I said no, just to be that 1%. Oh, why don't I trade? Oh, just... never really looked into it, to be honest. Oh, okay, that one's no longer 100%. Interesting. Debbie just wanted it to be different, I love it. Yeah, me thinks this is going sideways, people. After that spike. Has anyone confirmed what caused the spike? Was there news? Debbie, you're pretty on top of this. What chat is on your stream? It's got other... Oh, Super Earthman! Oh, by the way, there's two streams running. There's a horizontal and a vertical. Yeah, so there's two streams running. Because some people, you know, are watching on their phones, whatever the case may be. So yeah, there do be two streams. So that's what that chat is. It's both of the chats combined. Okay. Okay, but yeah, news? Was there news? Was there news? My purpose of discipline, I can't listen to it away from passing. Lawrence, what's happening? What is going on? This is like the 4th time. What happened? Me and you need to sit down and have a chat. What's going on? Top end, see Ukraine nearing a deal with Putin. What's the news? Oh. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, at least that's one situation in the world potentially coming to a conclusion. With both chats? Yep. But seriously, Lawrence, what's going on? That's bad. Okay, let's end the poll, let's see. Oh damn. The news candle blew my... Look. Do you use a stop loss? I'm getting the vibe that you're not using stop losses, Lawrence. Wow, y'all did not get your votes in. Seriously? Provisional ceasefire has been agreed. Okay then. Please TP make peace because it's nothing to go on with it. Oh, good grief. Maybe oversized? Lance? Yeah, what? I am very curious about what's happening. But that curiosity is a mental stop loss. I'm dumbing right now though, I'm still emotional. Okay, but if you have a mental stop loss, why don't you just put a stop loss there? Hey Juan, what's up? If you already have an idea of where you want the stop loss to be, why don't you just put it there? Then things like this won't happen. That's why stop losses are important. Take at least a week away from the charts. There we go. Because market makers. Hey, Dondra, what's up? Okay. Okay. I might be calling it. Methinks we're calling it. Rallies on now list from tweets. Tweets coming from tonight. Short-term bullish. Look out for dump. Used to be obsessed with stops, but I found more success without hard stops. I have to correct my arm bad too. I'm a mess, and I told myself not to trade after hours. Okay, yeah, Lance, I actually agree with him. I think maybe you need to just, maybe not even a week, just at least 2 days away, like solidly away. Just sit and compose and collect your emotions again. Meditate. I don't know, apparently that works. Never tried that. Heck yeah, Hammer. Today is the day. Let's see what happens. No stop loss in conditions like these will rip your face off. Literally. Well, as Lance has now experienced, right? I think now, with all of the chaos, stop loss is the only saving grace. Weekend is close enough. I sleep weekends mainly. Nice, there we go. No. Okay, no, but hear me out, Lance. I'm saying even when it's open. So then technically you take 4 days. Have the weekend, and then have another 2 days after that. Maybe only paper trade. Right? But just to take a little bit of a breather. It's not the worst idea. Obviously, I can't force you to do anything, but not the worst idea. Just to take a... and then come back fresh. Sorry, ceasefire's been agreed over the straight buyer. Oh, okay. Cool down and miss the chance and not the money you lost. Again, I'm still gunning for the shorts, but what the heck do I know? Okay. I'm gonna call it there, guys, because I think this is actually just gonna go sideways until CPI later. Yeah. I think this personally is just gonna go sideways until CPI later. I could be wrong, but with that huge sweep that just happened, I wouldn't be surprised. New York is gonna be fun. Maybe I'm gonna do dumb things, maybe I'm gonna tilt, maybe today is just the day. Let's find out. That's basically where we're at today. Today is just the day. I'm trading on, so I feel like you did. Is your account? It is, Deb, but let's see. Today might be the day where it goes bye-bye, and then I can get a new account with Tradeify because they have once-off payments now. You don't have to pay monthly, which is freaking awesome. You best believe that I'm gonna get one of those bad boys ASAP. Probably right. I'm just a little unfinished at time and I have high risk appetite. You're Friday and try not to do dumb things. Oh, thank you. So then in that case, I'ma call it. You guys are amazing. I will be back for New York. Like I said, New York today is gonna be unhinged. So come join in. No judgment, okay? All I'm saying is it's Friday. No judgment, please. But I can almost guarantee that it's gonna be unhinged today. So let's do this. I'll see you guys then for the New York stream later, alligator. Good luck if you're trading this. I still think this is gonna go sideways until CPI. Good luck if you're trading CPI. If you are. Yeah. What plan did you pick on Tradeify? Oh, I haven't taken one yet, but if I had to, oh, maybe the select. I might do the select. The select one looks really good. Sorry, that'll be a discussion for later. New York time. Okay. Love you guys. See you at New York. Trade safe. Today's the day. Today is the day.